Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Matillion for Cloud ETL on AWS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with configuring Matillion for Cloud ETL on AWS, first, ensure you have an active AWS account. Next, log in to your AWS Management Console. Search for the EC2 service in the console and click on it. Click on the Launch Instance button to create a new instance. Choose an Amazon Machine Image, or AMI, suitable for Matillion. Typically, the Matillion ETL AMI is recommended. Select the instance type based on your expected workload. A T3. Medium instance is often a good start for beginners. Click Next, configure instance details to set your instance configurations. Under Network, select the appropriate VPC for your project. Enable auto-assign public IP to ensure it is accessible from the internet. Click Next, add storage and leave the default settings unless you have specific needs. Proceed to the Tags section, where you can optionally add tags for organization. Click Next, configure security group to set up firewall settings. Create a new security group and allow inbound traffic for HTTP on port 80, HTTPS on port 443, and SSH on port 20. Review your settings and click Launch to create the instance. You will be prompted to select an existing key pair or create a new one. Choose one to enable SSH access. After the instance launches, navigate back to the Instances page in EC2 to see your new instance. Copy the public IP address of the instance for later use. Open a terminal or command prompt to SSH into your instance using the public IP address. Once logged in, you can access the Matillion ETL interface through your web browser. Enter the public IP address in the browser, followed by /Matillion, to open the Matillion login page. Use the default credentials provided by Matillion to log in for the first time. Follow the prompts to set up your database connections and any necessary configuration settings within Matillion. Create an appropriate environment variable setup for your ETL process. Design your data orchestration jobs using the Matillion interface to perform ETL functions. Test your data flows to ensure everything is configured correctly and running smoothly. Finally, monitor your jobs regularly to optimize performance and resource utilization in your AWS environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.